Guys, it's your boy Texas Tandem here, coming to you live with another video. Today we're here in Rio Hondo, Texas, guys. I am going to be putting the information just above me right here. If you guys want to go ahead and rent out this pier, guys, I'm going to go ahead and put all the information down below. It is a family-friendly place. There is a police department just down the street, and you get your private parking. He's good people, guys. I've been on this pier many times already, so if you guys can go down and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. Today we're out here, like I said, in Pete's Little Pier, guys, here in Rio Hondo, Texas. We're going to be throwing Texas made. We're going to be throwing Outlaw lures. We're going to be throwing some Twitch baits as well, because there is a lot of mullet here. And I've been out here before. We caught a bunch of a trout before and a couple reds here and there. And hopefully I can get on a snook, guys. That would be bonus if we can. But like I said, I'm sorry for not being very active on YouTube. It's because I do got a family, and I got kids, and I got this. I just got a whole bunch of stuff. I got work too, so it's kind of hard for me to be out here. But today I am going to bring you a video today, guys. But hopefully we can get to it, guys. You guys stay tuned, and hopefully we can get our limit. Oh, guys, we got something good. Oh, hell yeah. What do we get? Hell yeah. Oh, no. What do we get? Oh, freaking catfish, guys. We got a freaking catfish on the ultralight. Look at that on the freaking Yozuri. Don't go down there, don't go down there. Dang. Dang. A big one. Oh yeah. Dang. Look at that freaking guy. Oh. Dang, guys, look at that. Freaking Yozuri. The size of that guy. Dang. That was a snooky boy. Hell yeah. Let's freaking go. It's freaking huge. This is the biggest one I've caught on a lure. Let's see how big he is. $19 3/4. Dang, guys. Look what I got, guys. On the Yozuri jerk shad, guys. Let's freaking go. Or the jerk something, I don't know. On the Yozuri though. Let's freaking go. We're gonna go ahead and release this guy. Sheesh. On the freaking Yozuri. Oh, that's a nice trout, I think. Ooh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper on the ultralight. Ooh, hell yeah, on the ultralight. I have to get the net for this one. Ooh, on the ultralight, baby. Don't come out. Don't come out. No, 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 no. Stay pinned. Oh, man. On the ultralight, baby. Come on. On the ultralight. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Dang, on the freaking BF. Oh, he might be over. Dang. Look at that. Bruh. He might be over. Oh my God. Dude, on the freaking ultralight. We just got ourselves a freaking stud. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Freaking 19-inch trout. Let's freaking go. Look at that. Dang, on the Texas made bay bug. Let's freaking go on the BFS ultralight. Let's freaking go, yo. Dude, look at that. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, damn. What is this, red? On the ultralight? What is this? It's not even fighting. What is this? Oh, damn. What are you? Golly. What are you? Oh, big old Gafftop, y'all. On the freaking... No, no, no. Stay out of there. Stay out of there. Ah. Big old Gafftop, y'all. Here we go. Let's go. On the Outlaw. Oh, he's a keeper. Let's freaking go. Another one on the Outlaw paddle tail, guys. Let's freaking go. He's a keeper for sure. That's probably like a 16er all the way to the top. Yep, 16 and a half, baby. Let's freaking go. Alright guys, so we did go ahead and catch another trout ski, a 16 and a quarter on the Outlaw old school paddle tail. I believe this is like a this what, oh shoot, sorry guys, slimy. This is what I'm using. Hell yeah, let's freaking go, man. Nice little 16er, man. Nice little 16er right here, guys. Let's freaking go. Hey guys, so we're gonna go ahead and be signing out, guys. Unfortunately, there wasn't that much action today, guys. I was throwing a paddle tail, I was throwing a shrimp lure, I was throwing top water, I was throwing a twitch bait, and we did hook up into those 2 catfish, a baby red, and these 2 decent trout. The only trout that I did hook up tonight were the 19-inch and the 16 and 1/4. So let's just do a recap for you guys today. So today I was throwing the Outlaw lure 3-inch. We don't have a name for this guy yet, but this is what I caught the 16-inch trout on. And then as far as the big boy, dang, there's some fish back there. This is a Texas-made bay bug. I was throwing something similar to this, but it was clear. It was a clear color. These have been pretty good underneath the lights. I would not want you guys to head to the lights without a pack of bay bugs or these paddle tails, these 3-inch paddle tails, guys, by Outlaw Fishing, Texas made. Let me show you some of the hooks I was using. These are the hooks that I was using, guys. These plugs, V-locks, whatever you want to call them. These are by Blue Wave Tackle. And I still have some of these. I believe he doesn't make these anymore, but these have been my favorite by far. And just because they're compact and they're small, and usually at lights you want to be throwing something that's a little on the smaller end, just because you got to match the hatch. I appreciate every single one of you guys following me in my adventures. I know I haven't really been putting any content out. It's my fault. I have just a lot of things going on with me right now, and I just can't get to it. I just can't get to it, guys. But hopefully I can start just making content, pushing, so you guys have something to watch. I know I get inboxes all the time like, hey, where you at, where you been, why aren't you making videos? It's just one of those things, guys, that my life comes first, my kids, so on. You get the gist of it. But anyways, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. If you guys like these videos, this type of video, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Again, today I am at Rio Hondo, and I'm here at Pete's Little Pier. I'm going to go ahead and put his information up here for you guys one time again. And his pricing, I believe he said Monday through Thursday is $20 a person. Friday through Sunday, he charges $60 no matter if it's just one person, because he does get parties and stuff like that come on this pier, and it gets a little overcrowded. But if you guys want to hit it up for Monday through Thursday, it's $20 a person, up to 4 people, guys. Just because it is a small pier, I recommend only 2 people, but that's really up to you guys. it fits me, only 2 people, just because we can be relaxed. We don't have to worry about running into each other. But I appreciate you guys watching once again, guys. You guys stay blessed. Keep fishing. Never forget, we're out here for one thing, and it's to catch fish. If we don't, we still have a good time anyway. Tight lines. We'll see you in the next one.